Today, I will be showing you how to add overtime capacity intervals to your PlanetTogether system. Here's a problem you might encounter. There's an order on the Gantt that won't finish during the normal shift, so it spans to the next available shift. In this case, we see an order on the purification resource that spans over 2 days. You can add additional time at the end of a shift interval, so that the order will continue to run without stopping. First, to add the overtime capacity interval, select Capacity Tools from the bottom left of your screen. Next, select the Overtime option from the box that has appeared on the bottom ribbon. Under Duration, select the amount of time you wish to add. I will go ahead and pick 12 hours. Next, click on the open box where you want to add the overtime capacity to. After the capacity interval box is opened, you can rename your capacity interval. I'll be setting the start time to be 11 a.m. and end at 11 p.m. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save and Close. As you can see, our overtime capacity has been added to the Gantt, and the operation that was running on this resource now finishes in the overtime capacity rather than extending and finishing on the next shift called first shift that is running on Saturday the 19th. This means that this operation will be out the door quicker and will not have the whole downtime that used to be required between the 18th and the 19th.